When you first started to learn Chinese, you must have learned how to say very. 很 But the word 很 really sounds a little bit boring. In fact, in Chinese, we have more vivid words that can replace 很. Today, let's learn these words to make you sound more like a native Chinese speaker. Now let's get started. If you want to comment on a movie, for example, this movie is so interesting. 你应该怎么说？
Interesting. 有意思。有意思。有 means to have. 意思 is a noun for meaning. 意思。意思。So, 有意思 literally means to have meaning, which means interesting. This lesson is part of our Everyday Chinese 101 Total Beginner course. Now the first 10 students who buy this course can get a one-on-one 20 minutes spoken lesson with me for only $1. This promotion will only be available for 5 days, and we will end it once it's fully registered. Check out the details in the description box as below.
I think most of you would probably say 这个电影很有意思. This sentence is grammatically correct, but today let's replace 很 to other words. Our first choice is to structure 挺的. 挺 means quite or rather. Here you can simply insert an adjective in between and say 这个电影挺有意思的. 这个电影挺有意思的. Or simply say 挺有意思的.
这个电影怎么样？
挺有意思的。
If you want to describe a higher degree, you can use 非常 to describe 有意思.
If you really want to emphasize the meaning of very, then you can use the adverb 非常. 非常. 非常 means very or quite or extremely. 非常 can express a stronger emotion than 很.
So you can say 这个电影非常有意思. 这个电影非常有意思. Or simply say 非常有意思.
这个电影怎么样？
非常有意思。
You may know that 好 means good, but you may not know that 好 can also be used before an adjective to express quite or so. Let's use 好 and say 这个电影好有意思. 这个电影好有意思. Or simply say 好有意思.
这个电影怎么样？
好有意思。
How would you say really or indeed in Chinese? 真 真 We can use the word 真 to describe the degree and say 这个电影真有意思. 这个电影真有意思. Or simply say 真有意思.
这个电影怎么样？
真有意思。
You can also use the 太了 structure. 太 means to or extremely. Never forget to put a 了 at the end. Say 这个电影太有意思了. 这个电影太有意思了. Or simply say 太有意思了.
这个电影怎么样？
太有意思了。
Or we can use another word which I really like to use. 特别特别 When 特别 is used before an adjective, it means especially or particularly. We can say 这个电影特别有意思. 这个电影特别有意思. Or simply say 特别有意思.
这个电影怎么样？
特别有意思。
There is also a very in word to replace 很. What's the Chinese word for supermarket? 超级市场. 超级 means super. We can use 超级 as an adverb to describe 有意思. Say 这个电影超级 有意思。这个电影超级有意思。Or simply say 超级有意思。
这个电影怎么样？
超级有意思。
As you may be able to sense, these alternatives are more vivid. When you use these words, Chinese people can actually sense your emotions. Now let's go through them one more time. 这个电影挺有意思的。这个电影非常有意思。这个电影好有意思。这个电影真有意思。这个电影太有意思了。这个电影特别有意思。这个电影超级有意思。下面我要考考你。Let's use other adjectives to practice. Our first word is cool. The Chinese word for cool is a loanword from English. Cool. Cool. Do not say 他很酷。Let's say 他挺酷的。他非常酷。他好酷。他真酷。他太酷了。他特别酷。他超级酷。你都说对了吗？ The second adjective is 讨厌 annoying. 讨厌。讨厌 is an adjective to describe someone or something that is annoying or disagreeable. Let's say, quite annoying. 挺讨厌的 very annoying. 非常讨厌 so annoying. 好讨厌 really annoying. 真讨厌 too annoying. 太讨厌了 particularly annoying. 特别讨厌 super annoying. 超级讨厌 Alright, if you think our lesson is helpful and want to learn Chinese from the very basic level, you can go to our website and purchase Everyday Chinese 101. Now the first 10 buyers can get a 20 minutes spoken lesson with me for only $1. I will see you next time. 我们下次见。